In today's video, I'm making easy mini cheesecakes made in a pressure cooker. These are the perfect single serving dessert that only take 3 minutes to cook. Before you start, all your ingredients need to be at room temperature. Let's start by making the cheesecake crust. Mix half cup of cookie crumbs, a teaspoon of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter in a small bowl until it resembles wet sand. For this recipe, I use 6 4-ounce mason jars. There is a link to my favorite ones in the description box below. You could also use 4-ounce ramekins. Divide the mixture evenly into each jar and refrigerate until you finish preparing the filling. Now let's make the filling. Add room temperature cream cheese in a large bowl and stir until smooth. Add 5 tablespoons of brown sugar and mix until it's completely dissolved. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 large egg and fold the mixture until everything is incorporated. Now let's mix the magic ingredient, 1 teaspoon of flour, until combined. This will help it set faster and you won't even taste it. Remove the jars from the fridge and distribute the filling evenly into each one, about 3.5 tablespoons per mold. You can tap the molds on your table to remove any air bubbles. Stick to the end and I will share other recipe flavors to enjoy. Add 1 cup of water and place the trivet inside your Instant Pot. Put each mason jar in a single layer on top of the trivet. Cover your pressure cooker. Set the bulb to ceiling and select the pressure cook option. Set the time to 3 minutes. It will take a few minutes to reach pressure. Once finished, let the pressure come out naturally for 5 to 15 minutes. When the bulb is down, you can open the Instant Pot and remove the jars from it. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours to set well and firm. Once cold, you can add the topping of your choice and enjoy. I use berry jam in this recipe, but you can use whichever jam you have on hand, since the cheesecake has a vanilla flavor. Other flavor variations could be dulce de leche, chocolate sauce, cinnamon cooked apples, or even plain applesauce. And there you have it, this delicious mini cheesecake you can flavor to your liking. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching and remember to hit that subscribe button before you go and let me know what's your favorite cheesecake flavor in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep on sharing your love for food. Bye!